Monday.com WorkDocs tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a WorkDoc specific for your Monday.com project or your workspace. So it is going to be very easy and very simple. Why are you going to create a WorkDoc? This is the first question maybe that you're going to get in mind. So basically, the WorkDoc is going to be a doc or a document that you're going to insert different type of data attachments or a different organization of the tasks that you're going to have into one file or one documentation. And this is going to help your team to organize well this specific, let's say, work. So let's say that you have a project and that project is going to need some steps or some organization. So you're going to have maybe some steps or maybe some, let's say here, a specific data that you are going to gather, and then you're going to have some more steps that you need the team to head to. For example, you're going to have a project of video creation. You're going to start off by creating the data or the work doc in here. So we are going to head over monday.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to have the workspace created. You're going to click on add item to workspace. We're going to click on docs. Here we have either a new doc or start with a template. For templates, we have tons and tons of templates. As you can see, you can go ahead and set up whatever you want. But in my case, I will go ahead and start with a blank one. So we're going to name the doc as video creation, maybe like that. And we are going to have the privacy either private, main, or shareable. So we are going to create that doc. Now, we're going to wait for a few seconds until that doc is going to be like that. Now, as you can see, we can go ahead and add blocks to that doc, or you can add whatever. So you can go ahead and click on the plus icon like that. You can have here some text, large text, quotes, codes, as you can see, lists, boards, widgets, inline like these. You can have the AI assistant, tables, and media like files here, YouTube links, videos, images, and etc. Tons and tons and tons, as you can see, of options. We can also click on more options to see whatever is going to be available in here. Also, you can go ahead and have some apps. Now, let's say with the subject. So we are going to have here video, for example, creation from start like that. And then we're going to have the title. So we're going to have something added like maybe here I'm going to change this to a large title. And now we are going to have the subtitle or the medium title or the small title as like this. First step. So we're going to have here the steps added. Now we are going to have a normal text in here. So we are going to start by having, for example, uh, collect or gather the stock, maybe footage, just like that. And we can go ahead and have a lot of things. So we can have the collect the stock footage. And the second thing is going to be here, create a topic or follow up, maybe not creating a topic, but follow the editing of the maybe of the clips with the let's say here something about with the sound or a background music or sound or songs and etc. So this is just an example. Let's say that I'm going to add here maybe a file. So it could be an image or it could be a video. It depends. So we are going to head over here and then we are going to choose one of the documents that we have. So we are going to maybe head over here. I can go ahead and have whatever I want from there. So I can go ahead and add maybe just so you can go ahead and have a logo or added a file just like that. So here we have the specific file or the doc that we have created. So I can go ahead and have here maybe a quote like that. So we are going to add a quote, and that quote is going to have maybe a remark or something that we are going to have. Please maybe have the right footage for the topic. And we are going to have it just like this. So we can go ahead and add maybe a table or this is a notice box. So we are going to have maybe lists or create a board. So you can go ahead and have your board set up like that. And here we are going to put here follow the tasks, for example, implemented implemented in this board, maybe like that. So we are going to have here this, and we are going to add the board. So you can go ahead and have it. And this is the board. So I can go ahead and have the board. It's going to be a table. I can go ahead and have it just like that. And here we have it. Boom. Now you can go ahead and add other things like here specific. Let's say here tables. You can go ahead and have some tables added. You can go ahead and have the table added, for example, for maybe footage. Here you can go ahead and put name, link. Maybe we are going to have something. I'm going to set up the data in here or put it to the middle. And we're going to select all of this. Not what I wanted to do, but I'm going to select all of that. So like that. I think that we cannot do that. So it doesn't matter a lot, but I'm going to have the writing at the specific center. So I'm going to have here whatever I want, like the duration, and we can have here the specific upload maybe status, status, for example, or due date, maybe like that. And then you can have here observation, for example, observations, and boom, you can go ahead and have this specific table. Now, aside from adding here the documents and etc. So let's say that we have everything in here. So you can go ahead and click on add in here and add whatever you want. So here I want to integrate that specific doc to my specific workflow in here. I'm going to delete that because I do not need it. So I'm going to have only this one. So planning, I think that I have made a mistake. So I'm going to undo that. This is fortunate that it is going to be something that we can do in here. So I'm going to undo that. And we're going to see the specific here setup. So empty content name and etc. So I'm going to delete only a few of these. Here, I'm going to have it just like that. So we are going to add basically here a column, and we're going to click on it like that. And then we're going to see doc. So you have here, as you can see, files and Monday doc. If I click on Monday doc, it is, or like that, you're going to have the new doc. Let's see here if it is going to link to our doc. This is a new doc. I did not want to add the doc in here. So I'm not going to have that. I'm going to delete it. So we are going to have our doc added. So I think that it was my bad. I'm not going to have here the doc, but we're going to have files. So files, it is going to be like that. So we are going to have the choice of doc, click on doc, and then here we have the file added. So you're going to see it just like that. This is it. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.